Hello everyone, my name is Frank. In this short video we're going to take a look at my final project for my microcontrollers class, which is a traffic light controller. The minimum requirements are that it can simulate a rural traffic light that has pedestrian crossing and some sort of human-machine interface. So looking at our setup here, we have the LEDs, two sets of LEDs. Since the north side and the south side will see the same lights as will the east and the west sides, it's just simpler to have them be the same. So this set of three here, green, yellow, red, are for the north-south road. The green, yellow, red here are for the east-west road. Over here we have a 7-segment display which will be used for the pedestrian counter. I'll move that when that gets used. The hexadecimal keypad has a few uses. The top row here is for, let me get that in the shot. The top row here is for the road sensors, where we have the north and south sensors and the east and west sensors. Functionally they're equivalent, but I just decided I have 16 buttons to work with. These two are to set the operation mode. This sets it back to the default mode 0, which is the rural mode, and this one sets it to mode 1, which is urban. And this button here is for the pedestrian crosswalk request. And finally, we have the LCD, which shows the current mode of operation on the top row and the current state of the machine. So this entire time it's been in the rural mode, which is the default. So it's waiting for an input. It will wait for either a car to come on the east-west road, which would be these two buttons, or the pedestrian crossing request. So have a request or a car come in, and it moves to this mode. It waits for 5 seconds of green, 2 of yellow. If you're in the urban mode, which is mode 1, it would just fly through at 5 seconds of green, 2 seconds of yellow, and it would just continue to go. So let's watch that. And you can see while it goes, when I hit the button, the mode changed to mode 1, and the state of the machine will continue to update in unison. Now the machine checks the status of the keys after the light has been green for 5 seconds. So if I want to switch back to mode 0, I have to hold it, and after 5 seconds, in this case 5 seconds, if I timed it perfectly, I guess I wouldn't have to hold it that long. So now the mode is set back to 0. So let's take a look at the pedestrian crosswalk. So you hit the button here, request, and it moves to the red state, and it'll count down. Notice the display has updated to pedestrian crossing state, and then it will return to normal operation. The mode of operation also determines when the pedestrian crosswalk will happen. So in the urban mode, as it is here, it will wait until the 4th state, which is this state it's actually in right now, before it will actually go to the pedestrian mode, crosswalk mode. So I'll wait to get back to the start. This would be state 1. So now it's shifted from green. The flag is set. Notice it doesn't enter the mode, pedestrian crosswalk mode yet. It waits till it gets to here, and now it starts. This is in contrast to in the rural mode, where presumably cars won't be coming very fast. It could be the case that the pedestrians have to wait a very long time. So I'll hold the button down, wait for it to move to mode 0. Now it's in mode 0, and at either case, this being from the last state, and either that one or this one will trigger the pedestrian crosswalk. And that is about it. Thank you for watching.